In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix common video playback issues on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel, select additional troubleshooters. And then scrolling down underneath Find and Fix Other Problems, you want to select where it says Video Playback, find and fix problems of playing movies, TV shows, or videos, and then run the troubleshooter. And then make your selections how it best fits your particular issue. And that should hopefully be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.